Jamie, how did Ford get to this point?
Hey, good morning, Betty. Yeah, Ford's had a great quarter. It's here in North America. They've always had really strong pickups and sport utility vehicles like the old Explorer. Now they've got a lighter, better Explorer, and they also have cars to go with it. They've got the midsize Fusion, which has been a hit right out of the box, and the Focus as a compact car, even the Fiesta under that. They're really competitive all up and down the segment, all up and down the spectrum in a way that they have not been for years.
Now, their brands are doing well, as you just mentioned, the Focus, the Fusion, but Lincoln is not doing that great.
That's right. Ford is really focused on the Ford brand, polishing up the blue oval, as they say, and they got rid of all their other brands, Mercury, Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, Aston Martin, and just kept Lincoln. And now they're trying to bring Lincoln back around, but it's been a slow start. They brought out the MKZ, which is based on the Ford Fusion. It's a nice looking car, but it has gotten some sort of tepid reviews. They've had some production hiccups, and it's really gotten off to a slow start. They're trying to get the back up to speed, but they're uphill now.
It does sound that way. Another challenge, though, for Ford might be the falling yen.
The yen, Ford has really tried to position itself to go after Toyota and Honda, right? They're really stressing quality and fuel economy and trying to take those customers that have been so loyal to the Japanese automakers for so long. They've made some ground on that, but with the yen getting weaker, sort of more back to a more normal kind of 100 yen per dollar, the Japanese are going to be tougher competitors than they were a year ago or 2 years ago, and that. We don't know how it's going to play out, but it will play out in some way. It's going to help Toyota and Honda and hurt Ford.
Well, and just staying in Asia, though, Jamie, what about China?
Ford is really playing catch-up in China, sort of like in luxury. Lincoln was so far behind Cadillac, BMW, and the rest. Ford has been way behind GM and Volkswagen in China. They're investing almost $5 billion. They're gaining some ground. The Focus is doing well there. They sell the new Focus and the old Focus so they can hit a couple of different price points. And they're starting to catch up. They surpassed Toyota in first quarter sales in China. And Alan Mulally told Keith Naughton that they're really getting close to break even, and he's very excited.